Welcome to Shopify's Dropshipping Store Development course, Beginners to Expert. In this lecture, we'll see how we can create About Us page. Just click on Add Page here in the Pages and write a title About Us. And in the description, you can give About Us like we are Shopify Store Development Udemy course. So like us and help us growing for merchants all over the world. Alright. So this was a description of About Us page, and from here you can select the default page template, and then you can just click on save. After saving, we will preview this like how our About Us page is showing. So more on, you can add different things like here the complete stories with some images in it, just like here at the very beginning. You can also put some image here, product images, uploaded images like this. You can select the size, like thumbnail. You can also banner image, so insert image. After clicking save, you have to do some settings, and then your About Us page will be ready like this. So I hope you understand About Us page. Thanks. Bye bye.